In today's video, I'm going to teach you what should an e-signature look like, best practices. Think of this as the blueprint for how your e-signature product and its messaging should present themselves to the world, so prospects instantly understand who it's for, why it matters, and why they should try it now. Start by sharpening your positioning before you touch marketing. Fast, secure, easy digital signing sounds like everyone else. Instead, anchor to a niche and speak directly to them. Are you built for freelancers, real estate agents, HR teams, legal firms, startups, remote teams, or small and mid-sized businesses in a specific region? Clear, outcome-led statements win, like the fastest e-signature tool for real estate closings, the simplest contract signing tool for freelancers, or compliant e-signatures for Philippine SMEs. Niche wins because it reduces doubt and raises relevance. Next, identify the value triggers people actually buy. Speed, legality, compliance, automation, trust, professionalism, and time saved. Frame your copy around outcomes such as close deals 3x faster, stop chasing signatures, or sign contracts in 60 seconds. Outcomes beat features every time. For growth, lean into channels that bring intent. SEO is powerful here. Target searches like best e-signature app for freelancers, DocuSign alternative, how to sign contracts online, and affordable e-signature Philippines. Create comparison pages, X versus Y articles, and practical compliance and legal signing guides. Comparison marketing further steals demand. Build pages like your app versus DocuSign, your app versus Adobe Sign, and your app versus PandaDoc, because people searching competitors are close to buying. Parallel to that, run thoughtful cold outreach to high-need users such as real estate agencies, law firms, remote HR teams, and outsourced companies. Offer a free demo, a 14-day trial, or white label options, and use concise value-led messages like, "We help real estate teams close contracts 40% faster without DocuSign pricing." Let the product sell itself with a product-led motion. Provide a free tier with limited documents, a watermark trial, or a small monthly allowance like 3 contracts. When users feel the speed, they convert. Accelerate adoption with integrations that fit existing workflows. Google Drive, Dropbox, CRM systems, Zapier, and Slack, and say, works seamlessly with tools you already use. Tighten conversion on your site. Lead with a clear headline outcome, display security and compliance trust badges, add testimonials and use case sections, keep pricing simple, and include a sign a sample document demo. Don't drown visitors in features, show results. Build authority by teaching first. Present yourself as a compliance expert, a digital transformation partner, and a contract automation specialist. Publish LinkedIn posts, legal compliance threads, practical guides, and YouTube tutorials. Encourage sharing with a referral strategy. People recommend tools that save time and make them look professional. Offer a free month per referral, team discounts, and an affiliate option, especially for firms and agencies that bring